Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a 5-point star, a beautiful motif which has a variety of uses. So let's go into the video without much delay. For this particular thing I used my Aran baby cake yarn 3013. It's a self striping yarn, so these colors have taken their own way. Okay, so let's go into the video friends. Chain 2, make a slip knot and then chain 2 and place 5 single crochets in the second chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is worked in round, we are not slip stitching anywhere. Now we have 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this first single crochet, place 3 single crochets. Oh God. So 1, so let us place a stitch marker, the first single crochet, 2 and 3. Again 3 single crochets in the next, we will have 15 single crochets at the end. So far we have done 12, 3 more to go. So count if you have 15 from here. This is the first. Yes, we have 15. We have placed 15 single crochets in 5 stitches. Now remove the stitch marker, make a single crochet in this. This is the first single crochet that we've done, and then chain 6. Slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet in the next chain, half double in the third chain, double crochet in the fourth chain, treble in the last chain, and 1 treble in the base of the single crochet. Bottom base of the single crochet. We've done that. Now skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the next. Again chain 6, slip stitch in the next, second chain from hook, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, and 1 treble in the base of the single crochet. Skip 2, place a single crochet and continue this for totally 5 petals. We have done 2. For 3 more petals you continue this stitch pattern and complete it. I shall also complete and get back to you. we've come to the end of the round here. Slip stitch to the first single crochet that we made and fasten off. Okay, I shall fasten off and get back to you. Here we go. We have completed the 5-point star, and these stars are great embellishment for your decorations and your Christmas celebrations and whatnot. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like this. Do get back to us with your feedback in the comments section. Please do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Have a great day friends. Bye for now. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video.